In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a list in ActiveCampaign. If you're looking to streamline your email marketing efforts, creating lists is a key component, allowing you to organize your subscribers efficiently and effectively. Let's dive right into the process, starting with logging into your ActiveCampaign account. Head over to activecampaign.com and sign in using your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This hub serves as the starting point for all your activities within ActiveCampaign. Now let's navigate to the Lists section. You'll want to look to the left-hand menu and click on Contacts and then Lists. This area is where all your current lists will be stored. In essence, these lists function as groups of subscribers or customers you'll be contacting through email campaigns. It's essential to have your subscribers organized into lists to ensure your communication is targeted and relevant. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Add a List button. A pop-up form will appear, and it's here you can start creating your new list. Let's fill in the details for your new list. You'll need to provide 3 key pieces of information. First, the list name. This could be something like newsletter subscribers or VIP clients. It's crucial to select a name that clearly defines the group of subscribers this list will include. Next, enter a list URL. Typically, this should be your website or landing page URL, such as https:/yourbusiness.com. This step ensures that your list is associated with your online presence, providing a touch point for subscribers. Lastly, the list description. Take this opportunity to explain why someone is on the list. For example, you might say, "You're receiving this email because you signed up for our free workshop." An important tip here is to keep your description clear and professional. It will appear in your unsubscribe messages, helping to maintain transparency with your subscribers. Once you've entered all necessary details, click Add, and just like that, you've successfully created a new email list. Now, you can start adding contacts to this list. There are several ways to add contacts. You can manually add contacts, import them via a CSV file, or set up forms or integrations to automatically add subscribers. To add someone manually, navigate to Contacts and then Add a Contact. You'll then select the list you just created, and your contact will be associated with it. Finally, when it comes time to send out campaigns or set up automations, you can choose this new list as your audience. This capability